14 of you have joined. Good. So we'll discuss the two things today. One is some part of the LOB which we was discussing yesterday. We will finish it off the one with an example, and then we will introduce your the assignment, the individual assignment that we have talked yesterday. We will float today. We'll explain that one and we will float today. So let me share this this thing. I will switch off the video first. Then let me. Can you see the PPT? The same PPT. White screen.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So as we all know from the previous lectures on estimating the duration of the activity and the size of the labor or the manpower size. So we can say that the duration, the time, the T is equal to, if I say something like this, Q multiplied by the P, productivity, and then the CS. Okay, so the Q is the quantity of work done. Quantity of work, maybe in meter cube, maybe in running meter, or maybe the meter square, or number, like that. Some unit will come. The productivity of per day productivity. This is the P is productivity. Of work. It can be expressed as the manpower per meter cube of work per day. So suppose this is a standard time of operation of 8 hours or 10 hours, whatever. So per manpower, how much meter cube of work can, or meter square of work, or number of work, or running meter of work can be execute per manpower. I mean, per meter cube per day. So this will be, if I multiply these two, so Q into P will be equal to your meter cube multiplied by manpower by meter cube per day. So that means manpower day. So it is day will be, you will get. And the CS is the size of the manpower, crew size. Okay, so number of manpower. Okay, so now this, if you see now Q by P by CS, which Q into P is your manpower day divided by the manpower, so you will find the day. Okay, so this T is the expected duration of activity, of course with reference to the productivity and the Q size. So if I increase the Q size, so if I increase the Q size, the effect is that T will going to decrease. Definitely, if I provide instead of the 5 manpower, 10 manpower, things will be done within half day. I mean, half the duration. Okay. So this is maybe okay. Now the productivity, if it is increased, productivity in sense of the, it is not actually productivity, it is the inverse of the productivity. The how many manpower is required per, I mean, how many manpower is can be can do 1 meter cube. So if it is less, so you require less number of manpower. So if the P is increased, so this duration is also going to increase. So our aim will be reduce this the productivity factor. You may say it is a productivity factor because it is not directly implies the productivity. If the productivity increase, the time will decrease actually, but it is the a productivity factor which actually, if it is increased, the time duration also will going to increase because it is so much of the that is a reverse kind of a thing. So the reduction of the productivity can be done by, suppose you can go for some advanced material. Suppose you use some kind of a dryer, you use some kind of the admixtures which will reduce the time for the your concrete to be solidify or whatever the initial setting time also. So definitely this P value will be going to decrease, and then you can increase the you can decrease the time, or otherwise you can involve the machine. If you increase the machine, put some 1 or 2 more machines, you can definitely going to decrease this particular thing. So I must say this is another way. If I say this is, if it is decrease, the time duration also is going to decrease. So based on this, let us go to the next one. Here I have given you a chart where there are similar 3 activities are there, ABC. The quantity is given as 50, 80 and 60, and these are the kind of the serial activities. So suppose the number of unit is suppose the number of unit is your 5. Similar problem. Let me see how it actually going to happen. Number of unit is 5, and this is a serial activity A. And after that it will be B, and after that it will be C, and everybody will have, every activity will have a 1 day of buffer. Okay, 1 day of buffer. But the quantity of the work A is 50 and the B is 80 meter cube suppose, and C is 60, and the productivity is 1.2, 0.6 and 0.5. The queue size is 6, 12 and 5. That means if you add up, suppose a particular day, all the 3 activities are going on in a particular day. So in that case, probably, I mean, it is a chain. So that definitely the people will be moving from one activity to another activity, and the next activity can start. So you can say this is how much? 11 plus 12 is 23 number of people are involved in this. Now find out the duration. Can you find out the duration? With this formula, the formula is T equal to Q P by CS. This is your CS, this is your P, and this is your Q. So find out the time duration T. Can you find out? Can you find out? Tell me.
A is 10.
Okay.
B is 4 days and C is 6 days.
Okay. Fine. So these are the days. So now let me go to the. I will take a chart. And try to get the this thing. So the A is of 10 days, B is of 4 days, and C is of 6 days. So suppose this is, I don't follow this, I mean, suppose this is my 10. So of the fifth activity will be somewhere here. So this will be 10 plus 4 into 10. So 50, right? Okay. So next activity is of 4 days. So it will be definitely the smaller. So definitely it will be have some kind of the crossover point if you again start from the bottom. So from here you have to go to the next. So there is a buffered day of 1 day. So this is 50 plus buffered day of 1 day. And then there is a 4 days of activity. So this is 55. So the end point of this is 55. And the beginning of this will be, let me write over here. The 55 minus 4 into 4, right? Isn't it? Isn't it? Students.
Yes, sir.
So this is some point here, it is 39. So next activity is higher. So there will be, you can go from here. No crossover will be there. So it will be your 39 plus 1 day of buffer plus 6 days of the work. So 39 plus 46. So something here it is 46. And it will go to some point. And let me find out this point, 46 plus 4 into 6. So 46 plus 4 into 6 is 70. So the end time is 70. You will have 70 days or 70 weeks of time where you can actually do this particular work. So this is, I have to write A, I have to write B and C. And let me write over here with some other color that A, this is B, and this is C. A is starting from 1 to 50. B is starting from 39 minus 3 is 33. 39 minus 3, sorry, 36. To 55. And C is 46 minus 5 is 41 to 70. So this is the duration. Okay. This is the duration. And those involve They will involve crew size of the 6, 12, and 5. Okay. So I will go to the next slide with this. Or maybe what I do, I will duplicate this slide here and I will erase all those. But if I erase, this has to be erased. Let me check. Let me go here. Okay. I think I have to take the erase cannot work over here. Okay, okay. Anyway, so and so I think and I think this okay, this will be fine for me. So here, let me go again. Here, I know that I can now can try to make the histogram. You can also try to make the histogram. So this is the one. Next higher number is 36. Next higher number is no, 36, then 41. Next higher number is 50. Next higher number is 55. And finally, this is 70, right? So one I have taken 36, 41, 50, 55, and 55 and 70. So 1 to 50 it is 6. 1 to 50 it is 6 because A are there. Then 36 to 55 is 12. And 41 to 70 is 5. So that gives me the histogram. So something like this, it will be going to come. Or maybe I can just do it over here itself. Take some. So this will be my 6. This will be my 18. This will be 18 plus 5, 23. The maximum manpower is used in this 41 day to 50th day. You cannot cross 23 because that is the highest number. This I have required 17. And here I required 5. Okay, so this is my histogram. Okay. Now let us find out that moment of the histogram, that how much is your moment that we have discussed in the previous class when we discussed the resource leveling also. If you remember, the moment is calculated like this. Any day or any such this thing, this is if there are some amount of activity, this is the duration, and this is the number of manpower, suppose W. So the moment is half of W into W into D. Okay, so the area is W into D and the half of W. That is the CG of this. This is your CG, which is going to be your W by 2, and W into W is the area. This is the area. Okay, the area is W into D, number of duration into the manpower. So there it is your how much? How many days? 36 days first. This is your 36 days. This is your 41 minus 36 plus 1, 6 days. 37, 38, 39, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41. 5 days. How I got? Yeah, I'm 1 minus. So it is 5 days. So this is 50 minus 41, 8 days. Then this is 4 days. Then this is 14 days. Okay. So now if you get the moment, because moment, higher moment means it's non-uniform. Moment is, you see, this is half into this D is your 36 into 6 square plus the half into D is your 5 into 18 square plus half into this is 8 into 23 square plus half into the 4 into 17 square plus half into 14 into 5 square. Okay, so all the manpower during that particular time period, or the duration, which is 36, 5 and all, and the manpower is squared. So now please calculate this one. Mm, 18 into 18. I will also calculate along with you. 23, 8. I got something like 4327. Kindly check.
Yes, sir. 4327.
Okay, it is 4327. So this first problem was over. Again, I go back to the problem. So I read is that ABC is a serial kind of a thing, and there are 5 units to be followed. And I have given some Q size, which is total Q size is 23, and based on that productivity and quantity, I got duration like 1046. This is very important. 1046, you see. And 23 is the manpower, and I got the things. Finally, I have done with the 70 days is the total project duration, and by virtue of the 70 days, this is the histogram, manpower histogram, 6, 18, 23. Definitely it will not cross 23, 17 and 5. This period of 41 to 50, all the 3 activities are activated, so you require the maximum manpower of 23, and this is the distribution. And 70 days is the project completion time, and your total moment about the duration and the manpower is for 4,327, which is the indicator of your normalcy or the kind of a smoothing or maybe the leveling kind of a thing. So I know I cannot level it properly, but I can go for some other alternative to see that if at all it can be leveled. So I will go with this same problem with the some other chart. Now I have changed the queue size. And finally, I will have the same 23 queue size. You see, 23. 10, 8, 5. Please give me the duration now. Please give me the duration.
Six, six, six.
666. So let me draw the bar chart or the arrow diagram. So 6 days, 6 days, 6 days, and this is 6, 6, 6, and 1 day of buffer. Same. The buffer is not going to change. Only these 6 days and 23 manpower is remain as that. And let me again take one that this thing, or maybe just chalo, without that also we can do. You know, and this is maybe the 5th day. So this is 0 and this 1. Sorry, the 6th day the A will going to start, and it will continue till some day. I'll find out that day 6 plus 4 into 6, so 30. And these all are 6, so this will be 6 plus 1 plus 6 is equal to 13. So this is your 13, and this will be similarly like 13 plus 4 into 6 is equal to 4 into 6 plus 13 is equal to 37. And then again it will be the similar. So this point will be your 13 plus 1 plus 6 is equal to your 20. And this value will be your, so this is your 37. And this value is your 20 plus 4 into 6. 24 plus 20 is equal to 44. So this is 40. See, I can finish it by 44 days. 70 days is not required. Okay. A, B, C. So uniform time is always, I mean, more or less uniform. You may not get uniform time always. More or less uniform time with 23 manpower can give you the reduction in the time. That is the only understand what we understand from these two particular exercise. So I have not changed any quantity. I have not changed the follow process that A, B, and C 1 day buffer. But I have not changed the productivity, quantity, productivity. But I have 23 labor with me. I can have to do. So if I can manage somehow the duration are almost same, then I can reduce the time like heavily. Heavily I can reduce the time. 70 days to 44 days. Yes, sometimes it may not possible because the productivity quantity is not matched. So this 6 days may not possible. Maybe you can end up with 6, 7, and 5 days. Instead of 10, the deviation should not be very large. So it will be average. I mean, it will be very, very small variation. Ek do din ka variation and the queue size and all. And that is possible. And sometimes you may see that to do that, you can have some improvement in the productivity or whatever. So you can see that some activities are taking a lot of time. Suppose activity A and B are taking good 6 days, 7 days, but activity C is taking 12 days somehow, and with the 23 manpower. So you see that what is activity C, and then put some more machines or more instrument, the equipment over there, 1 to more concrete mixture or whatever. Try to manage the reduce the productivity factor 0.5 to 0.2 or something like that, and try to with the same 5 manpower you can try to decrease the duration. Okay, so instead of the 12 days, you may come to 8 days or something like that, which is okay, fine. I mean 7, 6, 8 or 7, 6, 9 maybe. So as and when you are approaching towards a similar type of duration will be excellent, and you cannot crash it more than that. For 44 days is the maximum. So you cannot crash it. If you want to crash, you have to crash all 666, maybe 555, then 333, like that. So that may not be possible. Suppose 6 days is minimum you require. So 44 is fine. But if you have something like the 7, 6, and 8, yeah, you may end up with 55 days or something like that, which is better than the 70 days or 74 days, whatever. So like that, you have to, what we understand from this particular two exercise is that it is better to distribute the queue size such a way that the duration are almost equal, and then possibly the total project duration can be handy. Okay, so here let me again do that. The A, and check that this moment A is starting from 1 to 30, and it has 10 manpower. The B is 13 minus 5 is 8 to 37. So it has 8 manpower. And C is 20 minus 5 is 15 to 44. So it is also having 5 manpower. Okay. So now let me do this. This is for histogram. Let me draw the line. So this is your 1. This is next number is 8. Next number is 15. Next number is 30. Next number is 37. And final number is 44. And you required 10 is go till 30. So this is 10, 10, 10. And this is 8 to 37 is 8, 8, 8. And then 15 to this is 5. 5, 5, and 5. So let me take some other color. So then this is 10. This is 18. This is 23. This is 13. And this is 5. Okay, and the days are of your, this is 8 days, this is your 6 days, this is your 14 days, this is your 6 days, this is your 4 plus 3 minus 4 plus 2, 6 days. So your moment is half into 8 into 10 square plus, of course it will be reduced because the days are reduced. Half into 6 into 18 square plus half into 14 into 23 square plus half into 6 into 13 square plus half into 6 into 5 square. 6, 6, 14, 6, 8, 10, 18, 23, 13, 5. So this gives, let me calculate, you also calculate.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, while writing the number of days
Yes.
for interval, we are not actually calculating the overlapping days.
Yeah, overlapping days I'm not calculating. Right, right. You can calculate also overlapping days. So it will I think it will better to calculate the overlapping days also, right? Right.
Yeah,
So that's,
yeah.
I think it is overlapping days also you can calculate.
Like in the total, what we have written, it's just 40 days. So 4
Yeah.
days.
Yes, yes, you can do. But okay, let us do like this. I mean, there is no, rule or whatever. I mean, we can do this also. It is better. Logically, that sounds good. I think next cases I will do. This is the last one I'll teach you. I mean, I must do that also. I mean, now I've already written, so let us forget about that. 1 into 23 into 23 into 14 plus 23 के बाद 13 into 13 into 6 plus 25 into 6. How much? I got 5, 6. Higher than that. How? 5, 6, 5, 7. Is it this number? Yes, this is the number. Moment has increased.
Yes, sir. 5657.
5, 6, 5, 7. Moment has increased. Now, why moment has increased? Let me check. 17, 18, 23. The deviation. Okay. सेवेंटीन के जगह में 13 छोटा 5 10 5 10 6 5 yes actually this is 6 and 5 that is why it is changed. It is distributed over a longer period and that is why this 5 and 6 and there it is 10 and 5 and this instead of the 13 over there here it is 17 so that is higher. So it doesn't give a true picture of this particular thing, but another picture is that the 23 is the peak, that is true. Here it is for 14 days and here it is for how many days? 8 days. So I think this is, even it is showing the better moment, it is better because at least the higher period of 14 days period or 15 days overlapping period is you are associated with the maximum manpower. So, but my target was to give you the kind of understanding the total project duration with the stipulated manpower of 23. That is clear here that with a uniform, almost uniform time duration, you can achieve that. Okay, so this is the end part of the lecture. If you have any doubt, please tell me. Otherwise, I'll go to the assignment discussion. "26 students are here. Should I go for the assignment discussion? I will upload this. Should I go?
Yes.
Yes.
So today only I have introduced the productivity and from that how to calculate is very simple, but you already know that one, but also put it forward in that. In our exercise. So now let us go for the, I will take one assignment only. This is the one assignment you have to submit for this semester. And I will probably have a one assignment, another assignment, but that will be a class assignment. In after that, after teaching you the network techniques, again I will come back to the MS project, and that day you have to do a small work, class work along with me, or maybe I will give you a work you have to submit then and there. So on this class itself you can submit the second assignment. So you don't have to I mean, involve any extra time for that. But this one you have to put some effort, time. So it is individual assignment. And tomorrow from 6 to 9 will be your second test on LOB, the line of balance only. That what we have taught, and I am definitely going to today itself. I'll going to upload this PPT to your teams. So let me go to the assignment. So it is individual assignment once again. So let me enlarge it a bit. So the first assignment, so it is something like design the building given as per the specific type. There are 4 types of building given. You have to choose any one of them. So the project will be a project within the area given as a 40 meter by 20 meters. So 40 meter by 20 meter a site is given to you. And out of that, a 4 meter circulation ring has to be left out. So you will have 40 minus 8. That means 32 meter green patch and 20 meter, or you can do like that, leave it. You take the site as 40 by 20 and there are 4 meter circulation area all around. Make it like that, no issue. Okay, so like that. And then you have to do, based on your construction knowledge, you have to adopt for that building which will be designed. Adopt a dry construction. I'll first tell you what are the 4 type of the design you have to do. I mean, not 4, any one of them you can do. You can take project 1 as a COVID vaccine center. Project B, somebody may take the COVID community kitchen. Project C may be a COVID health volunteer center, and project C is a COVID test center. Okay, so out of that 4, any one you can take for your submission on that particular 40 meter by 20 meter space. So adopt a die construction method for speedy construction. It will do very fast. The building can be treated as a temporary one. So don't go for the bricks and concreting and all. And function for 2 to 3 years only, maybe 2 to 3 years only, not more than that. Assuming 5 such model project building will be constructed in and around the city. So suppose a city, small city like Kharagpur or maybe something like that, we have to create those 5 such center in different part of the Kharagpur or in your location. So similar project, similar type of the building will be just copy paste kind of a thing. Okay, so that your LOB things will be come into the picture. That is why I'm floating it after the LOB discussion. The project schedule should be prepared such a way that it consumes minimum time and effective utilization of the workforce. Just a minute, I will take this phone and then I will come. Yes, sir. Sir. Yes, sir. In the institute, it is there. So that printout you have given, that one. That I can, sir, that I can scan. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Why not? Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Okay, I'll come to your house. Okay. Oh, so you have to then call to CIC help desk number. So you have to do that. I mean, minimum time and the effective utilization. So now let us go very quickly. The project vaccination center में क्या क्या होगा? Requirement: COVID vaccine center need to be designed cater 500 vaccination per day. 500 vaccination per day. Following space requirements are given in the blue color: waiting space, registration desk, queuing space for pre-vaccination activity, vaccination chamber, post-vaccination waiting space, because after the vaccination you have to wait for half an hour, room for at least 2 people in case of any emergency. Suppose after vaccination somebody feels some problem within that half an hour, so they have to be take rest, and there should be a bed. The doctor will attend for two people only, because the ratio is something like that. For 500, there may be 1 or 2 people may feel something like. Office room, a small office room, vaccine storeroom, sorry, toilet for staff, toilet for people. Just that in 40 meter by 20 meter, and that to be replicated with dry construction, no bricks, or maybe bricks hoga to chota sa, just only to plinth and the flooring and all those, nothing else. You can use the PVC, you can use the plastics, you can use the UPVC, you can use the timber and this chipboard and all those. It is only for 2 years, not more than that. COVID community kitchen. Requirement: COVID community kitchen need to be designed for serve lunch and dinner at minimum subsidized rate for people who are actually in suffering. It will cater 500 people per day for lunch and dinner. Space requirement: dry storage area, preparation area, cooking area, coupon counter, waiting space for the people, dining hall, standing only. They will stand and eat, not sitting and all. And 500 people definitely not come at once and do. I mean, some people may take the parcel kind of a thing, because some people may stand and eat, and some people may take some dibba ke mein le jayega. So you have to, and those people also has to be they may wait for some times, and then they may enter to the dining hall for it. Hand wash, office room, toilet for staff and people. Then the COVID Health Volunteer Center. COVID Health Volunteer Center will stock the medical, the food items, emergency item for the neighborhood locality for approximate 1,000 household. So in your locality, 1,000 households. So in that center, you will hold those medical food, oxygen cylinder, emergency item and all. The local volunteers will serve the family under the home isolation. Those will be home isolation, and other people for micro containment zone. So you are in micro containment zone, so you do not have food. So they will, if you call them, the volunteers will come and give you the market food and fish and all items, sabji, but they will definitely take money, the usual money. So that help center. So it will require an office room, record room, food storage, medicine storage for at least 20 oxygen cylinder, parking space for 3 number of battery operated rickshaw, because you have to supply those things to different people, right? And you have to purchase it from the market. Toilet for volunteers. So there probably no people will come. No people will come. Only volunteers will take the phone call and they'll help. So the COVID test center. The fourth one is the test center. So first one is the vaccination center. Second one is the community kitchen, volunteers center, and the test. Here there will be no vaccination, only test. So there are the COVID test center is proposed for construction outside the railway station, intercity bus terminals, provide the facility to medical checkup, rapid antigen checkup, and people to come to the city. The center will provide the testing facility for 200 people per hour, something like that. It's required very less time, as you know. The rapid antigen is required some few seconds, maybe 1 minute maximum. So the test positive people will be taken to the isolation chamber for observation, and the building will have the following space: waiting space, registration booth, the testing room, isolation room for 1 hour. So they will actually wait for 1 hour there, then they'll be taken to the isolation houses or isolation hotels or whatever. So at least for 1 hour they can be isolated in that particular center, just in front of the railway or maybe the bus stand. Office room, staff toilet, toilet for people, tea counter for public. So they will be wait for there, and you know the 200 people per hour, so they have to wait. So there will be a small tea counter also, tea biscuits and all. So what are the requirement? You have to it is not groups now, it is a individual, or all individual need to submit one proposal report and present their design and construction management concept. The report presentation should be highlighted the following: proposed building layout. Don't do the very elaborate one, just do the sketchy things. Okay. section elevations for your, because without that you cannot say that what will be your construction schedule. The third one is very important. Show the detailed project construction schedule, the bar chart probably. For four, it will be five actually. Okay, it will be not four, five such model building in the city. So how you will do first, second, third, fourth, five. How much time it will require? So how much is the total requirement of time? Break the project into 8 activities. Every project has to have 8 activities. What are the 8 activities? Site cleaning. It will take some day, some labor. Foundation and substructure. Wall construction. Roof construction. Flooring. Painting and finishing. Flooring, painting and finishing. Electrification and plumbing. There are toilets. Plumbing is required. Electrification is required. There are painting, finishing, flooring. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I think 7 activities or 8 activities. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Say the electrification and plumbing are the 2 different activities. So 8 activities. So don't put more activities. Anything you put under that. Okay. I mean, anything you want, put under that. That will give you uniformity. The detailed project construction schedule should be prepared weekly in times. Weekly is times. So you may say I take 1 week for the site clearance, 2 weeks for the, not day wise, weekly. And weekly, I have given that in 7 days into 10 hours per day. It is emergency case. So 7 days, 10 hours per day work. Okay, no Sunday, no holiday. They prepare the weekly manpower schedule also based on the construction schedule. That construction schedule will prepare. Based on that, you prepare the manpower schedule for the entire project. Please remember, this is the 5 units has to be constructed in the city. Size of the manpower can be 15 to 20. So minimum 15, maximum 20. Manpower can be distributed like mason like 9 to 13, plumber like 2 to 4, electrician 2 to 4 like that. Because the the masons will be sitting from the site cleaning to the painting and finishing. So this will be actually required more the masons. So 9 to 13 people will be there, and electrician and plumbing is a different people. So 2 to 4, 2 to 4. Okay, so based on these 3 type of manpower, and total manpower is 15. So total manpower is 15 to 20. So you have to give that. You have to also give the financial bit. The design team or you should also submit the fees as a percentage of the total project cost, material and construction. So you don't have to calculate the project cost. You say that I will take 2%, I will take 5%, I will take 1%. So that of the total cost. Total cost somebody will calculate, suppose. And the fee percentage as a financial bid should be mentioned at the end of your technical report. So last page. Last one you will write down. So the fees will be how much percentage of the total project cost. Okay. So the technical bid criteria is 80 marks criteria. So the functionality of the plan layout, the merits will be given 20 marks. Technical construction of the material detail, that is which technical material and how you do speedy construction are 20 marks. So based on this you prepare your report. These 4 items. Project time schedule 20 marks, project manpower schedule 20 marks, 20, 20, 20, 20, 40. So plan, that is architectural, your architects, so your plan should be talked about 20 marks, efficient plan. Your technical construction details, material, how you will do, which type of material will be 20 marks. Time schedule 20 marks, manpower schedule 20 marks. So you can effectively do. And then you put financial bit 20 marks. So 20 marks. So total 100 marks may evaluate hoga. And financial bit at the end, you just write down that I will charge this much. This is the figure. Is it okay? Anyone I have to choose out of the 4 projects. Students, is it?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
It is fine, but I have one thing to say. Can this be done by a group of 2? Because there's a lot of
Yes,
things.
sir.
That is
Yes,
why
yes,
I thought initially it should be a group of 4.
Yeah.
Because,
So
sir, it will be a lot of work individually.
Actually, so I mean that is why I initially see I have written down already that there are group of 4 or group work. I thought it should be a group work. You told that day it will be individual. So now you
Sir, we
decide.
were.
it would be just project scheduling and all, not the
Yes, sir,
planning.
but it's a
It's
very
like
big
No,
matter.
no, no. It
technical
is
material.
like you have to bid for this thing.
So
It is
then
live
can we
like
go with the
meeting.
group?
So
It is
tell
a
me, Nila, Rishabh, bolo. I mean, now
Yes,
group
sir.
size.
Group.
group of 2 or group of 4.
Yes, sir.
Group
Definitely.
of 4, I think will be good.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. We can do group of 4.
Group of 4, so one person may design it, छोड़ दो. Second person technically उसको evaluate करके छोड़ दो. And there may be a group meeting between them, and then एक कोई 2 बंदा मिलकर उसको resource allocation बना दो. So I think that will be good. I thought in that way only. So some person will be involved. Suppose Rishabh involved in the planning. So plan करके Rishabh and suppose somebody, some Jawar, suppose in a group, they will plan and they will technically first दो करके छोड़ दिया. And then somebody, Jaswant and somebody will take that and then go for the resource, the scheduling and the manpower. And maybe may have a small discussion in between. Okay. So load distribute हो जाएगा. 4 के करें 4 people in a.
Yes, sir.
Yes, yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
What is your class strength? Let me check.
Can we form group by our own like?
तुम्हारा class strength कितना है? 38. 38 मतलब 36. 36
Sir,
मतलब
those two
9.
groups will be having 5 members.
2 group में 5 member कर देते.
Yes, sir.
So
Yes,
how
sir.
to do the member grouping?
Sir,
They go with
can
the
we do
roll
on our
number.
own? No, sir. Can we do on our own?
हाँ?
According to any group.
Can we
According
do
to-
our own? Can we do our own like forming groups?
Your own group you can form, but that has to be done very quickly. I mean, as a chalo.
Ah,
kal-
yes, sir. Yes.
So
Like
who will
by-
take the responsibility? Aman, can you take the responsibility to forming the discussing with everybody, forming the group and give it to me?
Okay, sir.
So Aman will be responsible for that. Maybe Aman and Rishabh both. Aman
yes, sir.
again एक साथ
Yes.
नहीं होगा. Aman and Rishabh please take responsibility and make the groups and then
Yes, yes.
discuss with everybody through WhatsApp and all. By the weekend, this weekend, give me the group. So I will float it already. I will definitely float it. And tell me tentative submission time. That is also I will note down and I'll fix it. I do not know your the submissions, architectural design and all. So then one thing you do, I will just change one criteria. That will be very interesting. Should I do?
Sir,
Should I do that?
no first.
Only one thing you do. You don't write your financial fees in the report. The group should give me a confidential mail that I will take this much amount. Okay. Or if it is there also, nobody can see, right?
Sir, we can password protect the file.
No, don't pass. So, I mean, I think if you submit in the assignment portal of the Teams, then nobody will going to see that.
Yes, sir. Nobody can see.
Okay, then make it like that. So that will be the like the practicing architect can fight like that. I mean, I try to make it bit of realistic like that, and then let us see. So I come to a final conclusion that there will be a group of 4 to 5 people. There will be a kind of a 9 groups. Each group will have, I mean, free to take any project out of this 4. Group will be prepared by among yourselves by talking, and you can just send the group, which group you are belong to Rishabh and Aman, and finally they will collect and give it to me. By the end of this week, I will put it up today itself in the Teams as an assignment, and please tell me by this weekend when you give me the group, what will be the submission deadline. That is also up to you. I mean, you have your own schedule of the AD submission and all. You just give me a tentative time.
So, sir, 1 or 2 group will be having 5 members, right?
2 groups will be having 5 members, and rest 7 groups will have 4 members. Okay. Yeah, Shoham.
Yes.
You are 38, so 36 divided by 4 is 9. So
Sir,
2 groups will
7
have,
of 2 and 2 of 5.
yes, 2 groups 5 member and 7 groups 4 member.
Sir, when you are fixing the submission deadline for this?
I am not going to fix. You will be going to fix it. But as and when you fix it, it is like a tender. वो डेडलाइन के बाद आएगा तो हम नहीं लेगा.
ठीक ठीक ठीक.
एकदम फिक्स, एकदम मतलब करो. You are already mature people. You have done 6 months of training. तुमको पता है. तुम लोग फिक्स करो. एक पूरा ग्रुप बनाओ. I will suggest each group. Suppose Abra, you talk to your friends and whatever. Everybody is your friend, but okay, you prepare 4 member and just convey the things to Rishabh or Aman, and then say that this is tentative deadline, maybe 5th of November, something like that, or like that you give, and then there may be a kind of a हमको देख के और Rishabh and Aman can say that, sir, mota-moti people are happy if it is in the 7th of November or something like after Diwali, or Diwali may be something, so uske baad ek week baad. It should be before 15th of November, that's all. But don't push it at the end. End में बहुत दिक्कत होता है. You know, there are a lot of submission and all. It is better if you can finish it before Diwali. I think it will be better. I think so, but it is up to you. But as and when you fix up the time, चलो वो fix कर दूंगा मैं. उसके बाद 0 मिल जाएगा तुम्हें, तुम्हारा ग्रुप को अगर सबमिट नहीं किया टाइम में. It is like just like bidding. Just like bidding होगा. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Sure.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Chalo. Okay, then let us again meet in the next week. Not next week we are meeting, but tomorrow we have a guest lecture also in the tall building and structure from 3 to 5. And tomorrow I will upload one time problem of 3 hours time problem on LOB. That will be your second class test. Okay.
Sir, regarding tomorrow's class test, it would be completely numerical, right?
It will be numerical. No theoretical, numerical.
Thank you, sir.
You should see on another thing I must tell you. Our Kriti Dabla and Sharon is there. Kriti, you are there. Kriti? No, she is also not there. Sharon is also not there. See, these two, I will actually mark them 0 in the test. Yesterday, Kriti wrote me, and then I thought I have done some mistake, but I then found out that why I marked the 0, because they submitted the class test 1 by typing, electronically typing. That is not done. Okay, class test ko हाथ में लिखना पड़ेगा. So this also you should try to do the like a paperwork. Use your sketch pen and all those kind of thing. Make a nice kind of a submission. So nice type, but hand drafted. No electronically, nothing. Hand drafted.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, in my answer script, I think you have probably missed checking the last answer. The last question is marked 0. Can you check that once? I had also submitted a graph along with the mail as well.
See, I got lot of graphs. I'll tell you the problem with me. I just see, this is the chart. Can you see the chart? Shaunak?
No, sir. No,
Okay.
not visible right now.
Okay, I have put. Can you see now?
Sir, something is being presented. It is yes. Yes, sir.
Shaunak, you got 0 in the this one.
Yes,
Shaunak
sir.
got
So
0, Supriyo got 0, Rose 0 because of some other reason, maybe Pratibha also got 0. So a lot of people got
Yes,
0. But now
sir.
tell me, see, I have checked submission. Now you see, I have checked. See, can you see the folder? Checked. So this is all checked.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Suppose if I click somebody class test. Somebody has written, who is this? Roshan Raj. Okay, fine. So Roshan Raj has the file already, the chart file already. So in your case, it is not there, but I got some extra. Suppose this is a bar chart. I don't know whose bar chart is this. No name, nothing.
Sir, I had attached in the mail only. When I had attached that PDF along with that, this photo was also there.
Attached with the mail submission drawing. I mean, submit itself. This is another, somebody has drawn it like that. I do not know who is this. No name, nothing. Correctly done, 18 days. But I don't know who is this. How can I give the marks to this unmanned kind of this thing? So please resubmit. Those who have already done, please resubmit. Avro, you also.
So by when can we resubmit this one?
The fourth one.
Sir, by when can we Yes, I'm asking by when should we resubmit this
Today,
one?
because already you have done.
Okay,
so
today I will.
Today you have mailed me.
Yes,
Avro,
sir.
you also
So
got 0.
today.
You have done that day.
Yes, sir.
But don't do it now. If you have done that day, you mail me.
Sir, I'm just attaching that drawing at the end of that same PDF and mailing you right now.
That
Okay.
is now haphazard. That is now haphazard. So today you just now within 1 hour mail me. Because already it is
Sir,
done.
Yes, sir. Sir, I'm saying that within 1 hour, I'm attaching that graph at the end of the PDF that I've already sent, and I'm sending you a new PDF, which will be the same as the original one. Just the last page will contain the graph. Is it okay that way?
Right. Or even only the problem number 4 you can send me, because already the rest of things are checked. Only the problem number 4 you can send me with your name, Baba. Just somewhere
yes, sir.
because I will download everything and then I take it to and I start checking. Okay, so just in that particular some of has at least written the name, so मुझे पता चल गया अच्छा ये Kavana, I think Kavana has given 2 separate or something like that. So चलो ठीक है, Kavana तो मिल गया, थोड़ा Kavana लिखा हुआ है, तो something तो लिखा होना चाहिए ना. So you send only the maybe the bar chart, but with your name and all.
Okay, sir.
चलो ठीक है.
Thank you.
See you next day.
Yes, sir.